this guy. He's all goofy. And I gotta get an evaporator for this guy, this little True. I gotta get the evaporator coil for it. It's a big old leaker. And stay tuned. I already have a video on my channel. If you go on my playlist to change the keypad for the Manitowoc, I already have a video on there, so I'm not going to film that again. Just go to the playlist under ice machines, and you'll see a video on how to change out the keypad here. And the evaporator I'll film that one. That'll be a good time out. We'll film that little evaporator change out.